Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Good morning. I literally just came back from school run and I just thought to just sit in my car and talk about something that has been pressing me on my chest, something that has been bothering me for a little bit. Don't worry, it's not that big, but you guys get. And then by the title of this video you would already be able to tell what it is kind of about. And yeah, I haven't really done, or rather I don't do often enough sit down videos like this, so just random chit chat videos, just sit down here in my car and just talk to you guys. I haven't done that in a little bit, so I just thought to myself, just got back from school run, let me sit down here and just talk to you guys a little bit. But yeah, so when the year began, I gave myself a goal. I gave myself a goal of 50k subscribers. I know that was a lot. Okay, that was a whole lot, but I just believe that if I put in the work, if I keep putting in the work into my YouTube channel, I will be able to achieve that feat seamlessly and without stress, right? But between January of this year and now June, the year has gone halfway. I don't think I have gained more than 1,000 subscribers, to be honest. Looking back now, I think I've only gained roughly about 1,200 subscribers in 6 months, and that is very heartbreaking for me. That is very heartbreaking for me. And I put out videos. I have really tried to stick to my 3 times a week upload here on YouTube, but it seems like many people are no longer interested in my content, and that's just me being honest. It seems as if my videos are no longer getting the views they used to get. You know, as at last year, my videos could get, my regular vlogs could get about 10k views, regular views, and if they do well, of course, like 20k, 30k. But I just realized that my videos are struggling to even get to 5k views in a day or two, and I'm just like, I don't know if putting out content on YouTube is still the way to go for me. I don't know, because it's very annoying when you have to do so much work. I put in a lot of work into my videos, guys. You guys know this. I put in so much work into my videos, and it's very unmotivating and very heartbreaking when you put out so much work into, when you're putting so much work into these videos, and you put out videos 3 times a week here on YouTube, and they don't do as well as you hoped. They don't do as well as they are supposed to. They don't do as well as they deserve to. And of course, this in turn has affected my revenue here on YouTube. I mean, since Vlogmas period, my revenue has just been like this. I still get paid every month on YouTube, don't get me wrong, but I'm just saying that compared to how much I was earning at a time last year on YouTube, I feel like right now my YouTube is no longer my major source of income. I feel like my Instagram brand work has taken over that. When I work with brands on Instagram, that has taken over my YouTube, because my revenue here on YouTube has really dropped. And I'm just asking myself, what is going on? What is happening? Are people no longer interested in what I'm putting out? Why doesn't anybody really want to watch my videos anymore? Are my videos now too boring? Is my life too boring? Am I putting out content that people are no longer interested in watching? Maybe people who subscribed to me recently and I was giving a particular kind of content, maybe that content is no longer coming and they have lost interest. What am I doing wrong? I have been asking myself this question. I'm just like, what is going on? Okay, is it just me it is happening to? Is it happening to a lot of you who are also content creators here on YouTube? Is it the algorithm? What exactly is happening? At the same time, I also would love to say that I don't think this is like an algorithm thing, because there are people who are still putting out regular content here on YouTube and they are still getting great views. Okay, I watch a lot of YouTubers, a lot of Nigerian YouTubers as well, and there are many of them who are still putting out content, regular content like I do, maybe regular vlogs and all of that, and they're getting great views, and you are wondering, what's the problem? What's going on? What's happening? You know, many of my videos are mostly vlogs because you guys seem to enjoy watching vlogs, and I know that there are some of my OG subscribers, my OG followers here on YouTube, that no matter what Alma Uncle puts out, they are gonna watch. If I put a video of me coughing and sneezing and laughing, somebody is still going to watch it. I know that. But at the end of the day, the aim of being on YouTube is to gain new subscribers, is to grow, is to gain more views on your channel, is to increase your revenue. It's very heartbreaking to just put in so much work. Guys, I put in a lot of work into my videos. I put in a lot of work into my videos, but when I'm not seeing the growth, when in a space of 6 months I have not comfortably even gained 2,000 subscribers, I begin to ask myself questions. It's just natural. I begin to like wonder, is there something, like, do I keep doing this, putting my energy into this? Do I channel my energy into something else? You know, I don't know. Like, I really don't know. So I said, let me come and talk to you guys and ask you guys, is there something I'm doing wrong? Is there something you prefer to see on my channel that I'm not putting out yet? Do you want me to incorporate anything new into my channel? Maybe more sit-down videos. And even though I feel like I try to do sit-down videos, and I know that you guys enjoy watching my 30s series kind of videos, I want to do more of that. I've been doing some research and I want to do more of the woman in your 30s kind of videos. And some people always ask, oh, can you please do videos for women in their 20s? And just like the same thing applies. If I do a video for women in their 30s, you can be rest assured that if you're in your 20s, everything I say in that video you can also implement into your life. In fact, the earlier you begin, the better for you, right? So I don't have to do like a different video talking about women in their 20s when the same thing literally would apply when I do a video for women in their 30s. I do videos for women in their 30s because I'm in my 30s. It just makes sense, but it doesn't mean that if you're in your 20s you cannot, it does not apply to you. Do you get my point? So I will do more of those, but at the same time I'm just like, is there more I need to do? Is there something I need to do? Videos that you do and you think, oh my god, they're gonna get views, like this video will do well. It doesn't do well. Heck, it doesn't do well. You can put all the catchy titles in the world, all the catchy thumbnails in the world, and people are still gonna not watch it, you know. And that's another thing. The worst thing you can do to yourself as a YouTuber is to sit down and say, this video is going to do well, it's going to blow, it's going to get views. Because when it doesn't get views, it can be very disappointing and very heartbreaking. Very, very heartbreaking. So I don't know, guys. I really don't know. I was like, let me come and ask you guys, like, cause it's very, very unmotivating. It has made me become so unmotivated. I'm sure you guys would have even noticed that there are some weeks where I don't upload as much as I want to. There are some weeks where I upload maybe once a week, sometimes twice a week. And it's not because I don't want to put out content, but because I am just so unmotivated. I just feel like at the back of my head, I put out this video now, nobody's going to watch. It's not, nobody's going to watch, like, you know. So like the ginger for me is not there right now, and I've been trying and I've been struggling, and I get it that, you know, we're all on our different paths. Everybody is on their different journey here on YouTube. Everybody's race is different, everybody's journey is different. But at the same time, I feel like for where I am, for how long I've been doing YouTube, for how much work I put into YouTube, for the kind of growth I think I deserve at this point, it's not giving. I'm not getting what I want, you know. I'm not getting what I deserve, because heck, I deserve it. I've put in so much work into YouTube over the years, and I feel like I'm not getting it. I'm not getting it. I'm not. And that's just me being completely honest, okay guys. I felt like at this point I probably should have hit maybe 30k, and my videos should be doing maybe like 10-15k views on a regular schmegular. That's me. That's what I believe that I'm worth. So just seeing not so encouraging views on your videos can be very, you know, very, very, very unmotivating. Yeah, so it's like beginning to ask myself, like, this content creation journey, like, I love my job, guys. Like, see, I love my job. In 10,000 lives to come, if you keep asking me what I want to be, I will tell you I want to be a content creator. I enjoy what I do. I love it so much. But at the same time, especially when it comes to YouTube, Instagram, I mean, I work with brands on Instagram on a regular, so I'm grateful for that. I'm really grateful for that. So in my head, I'm just like, oh my person, don't tire out. These YouTube streets, person don't tire to create content on these YouTube streets. So because when you create to do like this, work your butt off, put videos out on a regular, and people will just come and tell you hi, just not many views like that. It can be very annoying. So I just want to come and talk to you guys, and I feel like I should be doing more videos like this, to be honest. Just come sit down, talk to you guys, just rant a little bit. This is not even a rant, because to be honest, I'm not even angry, guys. Like, I'm not angry at all. I'm just unmotivated. You get? Does that make any sense? I'm just unmotivated. I'm not upset. I'm just unmotivated, and I really want to get back into the funk of things here on YouTube. I'm still gonna keep my vlogs coming, because I know that many of you love watching my vlogs regardless. So I'm still gonna keep my vlogs coming. I'm still going to keep doing sit down videos, but if there's anything at all that is new, you know, that you want me to bring into my channel, just let me know, and I will do that. Maybe like a rebrand. Not like a rebrand, to be honest. I'm not about to rebrand anything, but like anything new you want me to incorporate into my channel, just leave them in the comments. The thing is that if I ask you guys, people keep saying vlogs, I'll keep asking. You people keep saying vlogs, and I'm putting out the vlogs, and you people are not watching the vlogs. I'm not watching them. You see that my life is now boring. People don't care about me again. People don't like me again. What have I done to you people? What have I done? I'll keep doing what I'm doing. I'll keep putting in the effort. I'll keep pushing out the vlogs and the sit down videos. I'll keep doing my research on things I should do that are new. Hopefully you guys will have interest in those. And yeah, just have to come and talk to you guys here. And that's all I have for you guys in this video, to be honest. If I have anything pressing me in my chest that I want to talk about, I can just do random chit chat videos like this, maybe just in my car. Very random. I didn't plan to do this video today. Like, my camera was literally in my glove compartment. I didn't plan to do it, but when I just drove into my compound, I'm like, you know what, let me just talk to you guys a little bit about this. So maybe more of these impromptu videos, I may do them along the line. But yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoy watching. Okay, hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please watch this video, please watch the next video, and the next one, and the next one. Please, Ejo, Biku, watch. I'll see and talk to you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.